Hello everybody. Today we are going to start our topic tense. Once again welcome to all of you. After a long time we are going to start our new video that is based on English grammar, and welcome once again to all of you, and we are going to start tenses. First of all, I would like to clear you what is tense. Tense is a form of verb that shows if something happens in the past, present or future. Means tense is a form of verb. Verb's form that shows what is happening, yeah, what happened or what will happen in future. For example, one sentence I'm going to tell you, I am going to the market. That tense, that sentence show us that something is going to be happen here in the present time. I am going to the market means presently I am going to the market. That is a part of tense that shows that something is happening in the present time. So I hope the tense definition is clear to all of you. Now here are some types of tenses. There are three types of tenses. Present, meaning of present, meaning of present is vartaman kal. Past, meaning of past is bhutkal. Future, meaning of future is bhavishya kal. Present tense shows that the work is happening at the present time. Like I am going to the market. मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ, मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. It shows that work is happening at the present time and it is going on. Work is going on. There are four parts of present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. On today we are going to start, we are doing only present indefinite tense. Firstly, what should we know about present indefinite tense? At the starting we should know that what is the symptoms of present indefinite tense. पहचान क्या है? There are some things, some symptoms which shows that the sentence is of present tense. मैं बाजार जाता हूँ. Here at the last we are getting ता है या ता हूँ, ती है, ते हैं. These are the symptoms of present indefinite tense. ता है, ती है, ते हैं. And after that, how to form the present indefinite tense? There are four parts of present indefinite tense also: affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative. Affirmative. In the affirmative sentence of present indefinite tense, we are getting the sentence like this: वह बाजार जाता है. At the last there is the symptom of present indefinite tense, ता है. We have to form it in English. How do we form it in English? वह ही बाजार market जाता है is formed by go. जाने को क्या बोला जाता है? Go. Here the subject is he, so we have to place es after the verb, the verb's first form go. Why we have placed es? Because in the verb go there is a vowel at the last, so we will place es to form present indefinite tense affirmative part, that is he goes to the market. We know that how we have to form the sentence. At the starting we have to place subject, after that verb, after that object in the affirmative sentences. So the sentence वह बाजार जाता है is formed in English in this way: he subject, verb go, es for the present indefinite affirmative part, to market, that is object, to is a preposition. In the affirmative sentence, how we have formed it? वह बाजार जाता है, he goes to market. How do we form negative sentence of affirmative of present indefinite tense? वह बाजार नहीं जाता है. Subject will remain same, वह he. Here nahi is the new thing. We have to make the sentence according to the nahi, according to the negative form. So according to the subject we will place here does, because in the present indefinite tense we can use two helping verbs do or does to form negative or interrogative sentences, and on the basis of subject we will place here does. He does not go to market. Here because of go we have placed es after do. So the sentence is he does not go to the market. What is the rule to prepare negative sentence? Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb's first form plus object. So here the subject is he, helping verb is does, note is additional because the negative sentence we are forming here. Go verb's first form, to preposition, market, object. After that we will place full stop because in the affirmative and negative sentences we place full stop. So I hope negative sentence is clear. वह बाजार नहीं जाता है. He does not go to market. How we will prepare interrogative sentence? In interrogative sentence we have to place do or does at the starting plus subject plus verb's first form plus object. At the last we will place question mark. क्या वह बाजार नहीं जाता है? According to he, that is subject here, we will place does at the starting. After that the subject is he, does plus he, verb's first form is go, to preposition, market, object. After that question mark will be placed. So the sentence will be prepared in this way: does he go to market and question mark. How we will prepare interrogative negative sentence? That is interrogative plus negative. The all other things will remain same, but here after subject in the previous sentence we have placed go, verb's first form, but in that sentence, that is interrogative negative, we will place note before the verb's first form and after the subject. The formation value will be, the formation rule will be there: does plus subject plus note plus verb's first form plus object at the last question mark. So the sentence will be formed in this way: does he not go to market? I hope all of you have been better understand present indefinite tense, and you will prepare the sentences in this way, and I will clear you again more deeply about this in the next video. And I request all of you to subscribe my channel, to share it with your friends and like it at the first.